Hello guys, what is going on? Techroomuk here. So for today's video we have another speaker from Tribit. We worked with them a lot in the past. This is the Stormbox Blast 2. We reviewed the Lava one before, and this one it's obviously a big improvement. So this is how the box looks like. We have some specs on the front of the box. So right here it says 200 watt output, which is absolutely amazing. Customize dynamic lighting. You can customize it with their app. Basically means it has RGB on the sides. Rugged IP67 rating, 30 hours of playtime. Karaoke, which means you can connect a microphone to it. TWS pairing, that means you can connect more, 1, 2, 3, however you have, and have it like a big sound system. And on the side it says TI amplifier, 2.1 channel, 5 drivers, X bass technology, 3-bit app, and Bluetooth 5.4, which is one of the latest Bluetooth technologies available. So yeah, basically that's it with the box. I'm gonna go ahead now and open it. I'm gonna show you guys what you get inside, and after that we're gonna put it to the test. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Alright, so after opening the box, this is pretty much what we get. We get the speaker itself and we get an instruction manual. We'll tell you everything you need to know about how to charge it, how to use it properly, how to connect it, how to connect multiple to them. It's in different languages, so I suggest you give this a read. It will tell you everything you need to know, and basically you'll get the most out of your speaker. This is how the speaker looks like. We got subwoofers on the sides. Both sides. We got the main area right here, Tribit branding on the top, as well as on the front. And we have some buttons right here. We have the power button, Bluetooth, volume down, pause, volume up, brightness, X bass, and TWS connect. As I told you guys, you can connect more than one to the same device. If we flip it and we have a look at the back, we have this silicone cover right here. If we take it off, we have some inputs. This is the charging port. This is the microphone 1, microphone 2. You can connect each volume individual. Aux cable. You can connect control the reverb. USB Type A output and USB Type C input. Basically this is for charging mostly. So yeah, that's it with the I/O. I want to show you guys how it looks like when it's turned on. So let me put this back, let me flip it around. Okay, so to power it on, press this button once. It will make a sound. It's powered on. You can change the lighting, decrease the brightness until it's not there anymore. But if you want RGB and light, press it again. It will go full RGB. You can see also the speakers inside. To connect it, it's very simple. As you can see, when you turn it on, the Bluetooth button starts flashing. That means it's ready to be paired. All you have to do is turn on your phone and turn the Bluetooth option on. It will say Tribit Stormbox Blast 2. You just connect to that, and that's it. It's ready to go. You only have to do that once when I ask you to pair. After that, if this is on and your phone Bluetooth is on, you're basically good to go. You will connect by itself. So yeah, this is how it looks. I'm going to go ahead now and connect it to my phone, and I will maybe play you guys my YouTube intro, because I don't want to get hit with copyright for other music, but we'll test it at its max volume. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so the speaker is fully connected to my phone. It was actually really simple. Turn the Bluetooth on, as I said. You will see here Tribit Stormbox Blast 2 right here. Click on it. It's already paired for me, and that's it. It's ready to go. I have a video of mine, one of my previous videos. I'm gonna play the intro for you guys at 100% volume. It goes to 150, but this is super loud anyway. And yeah, let me just play this. can use that button to pause and or play the video on my phone, which is pretty slick. You don't have to have access to your device all the time. Also, you can increase or decrease the volume. So if I press plus on the speaker, it will show on my phone as well, which I think it's pretty cool. When it reaches max volume, you'll have a audible notification, and also they will turn red. The side will turn red. If I go to the minimum volume, I gotta press a bunch of times. That's it. There will be no RGB when I press it. But then slowly, as you can see, the RGB lights up when you add volume to it. From blue, purple, red being the max. And that's it. Yeah, it's got some pretty cool functions, especially if you use the Tribit app, which you can use and customize it even more, the treble, everything you want. But for now, that's it. If you guys want to buy this, I'll have a link in the video description down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.